Mga kanos, pusta, lagaw naman ta sa Vista Mall Extension Building. I'm Drinking Nose and welcome to my vlog. Viscan outdoor alfresco look pa lang ng Dear Joe, mapapa-amaze ka sa simple but classy look. For your grab and go, everything starts at AllGreen. Paper and Company has hand-picked items from your favorite designers and markers across the globe. So papunta na tayo sa exciting part mga kanos. Saluda ta with fellow content creators. Wow! Pagsulot mo pa lang, grabe. Feeling ko doara lang ko sa Singapore, diwat. Ako bala sa inyo. I-tour ta mo, diri, sa Vista Mall Extension Building. Diba? Solo mode ko na yan. Call the best local and international markets all under one roof. Kung daw mo, ginita, wow. Dahil lang tatabi. Ay, kimi K-pop merch. Uy, may anime pa. Wala, One Piece. Uy, dumabudol ko diyaw. Siyempre may sila One Piece, Naruto, Smooth Like Butter, BTS, and other K-pop idols. Hindi mo nakilala mo pa abroad, kiari na ditanan. From food, drinks, beauty, cosmetics, and other basic essentials. Oh, dumi nakita ko diyaw. Pamain purple, kag may-ari din sila mga dinnerwares, plates, bowls, mugs, at affordable price. Siyempre, saka lang na. It's the best of the world. Kung nagutom ka na sa lagaw-lagaw, pwede kakaon din sa mga pop-up food carts nila. Our next destination, PetBuddy. Don't forget to drop by and check out the newest pampering spot for your fur babies. Book now for your grooming appointments. And thank you so much for PetBuddy. It's a dog approved at sobrang enjoy nila yung mga items. Next is All Home. So very quick glance lang yung mga kanos. Available sila sa mga furnitures, beds, decors, and a lot more. So tama ko video kag focus. Para naglimang ang pod ko sa puntaw. Sorry na. Anyway, so ari na ta sa KinderCity. Perfect for kids and kids alike. Like me. Just present your vaccination card and this is their list for your admission fee and quick guideline and customers overview from the outside. Also available din sila sa Kinder Cafe. Wide selections of foods and very friendly gidi mga staff. So tara, sulod na ta. Siyempre dapat may medyas ka and leave your shoes or belongings at your designated area. And take note that every area is sanitized in every session for the safety of everyone. It's the best place to bond with your kids and adults with lot of exciting activities. Pasensya niyo mga nos, first time lang. Wala ko dadami experience sa childhood ko, pero sobrang exciting, sobrang memorable, and also worth it yung experience. So thank you so much, KinderCity. Since gutom na ko kagapoy, so lunch break tanay sa Coffee Project. It's one of the most Instagrammable coffee shop in the Philippines with wide dining area. Also available for their Mickey Mouse merch with savory and delicious pastries available and coffee beans. Tadan! So ari namon orders. Okay, group shot. Ay, sorry. Take two. Nan, perfect. Thank you. Dessert tender chicken to see my favorite ice latte. Ta, kaon ta mga kanos para energize ta mag-shoot later. Kusog kag ready na ko. Let's go. Thank you so much, Coffee Project. So let's proceed for our next destination. This is also a pet-friendly mall. May araman sila Christmas tree for selfies, chicken deli, and bread table. Next up, 64 for cocktails, coffee, sandwich, and pasta. It's a bar and cafe at the same time. Tara, hapit ta kag mag-enjoy with good food and drinks. Hands up for flashback weekends. Groove to the latest hits of the decades. Let's jive to the hits and join the party. Siyempre, hindi kami ang patalo. Sayaw din kami with Madam Diputz sa local travel girl, Angelkym, HeartKisses, BiboyNatics, Patrick, and yours truly, Drinking Nose. Nag-party ka na, busog ka pa. It's time for Arthur's Nery concert. Ilonggos and fans gathered together for this once-in-a-lifetime event. We are glad to be part of the VIP and front row. Now, let's introduce Arthur Nery. This was my first first time to join a live concert, and it was indeed a memorable one. Thank you so much, Vista Mall. And to all the sponsored brands, congratulations! Big thank you sa mga content creators na kasama ko during this shoot. Follow, like, subscribe to my YouTube channel and Facebook page. Hope you like this video. See you again on my next vlog. Bye!